Hey everyone, happy Friday. Hope you had a great week. I actually decided I'm going to start a little series of few weeks here of Feature Fridays focused on some of our integrations and some of our great integration partners that we have. I'm going to start today by looking at our integration with GoFundMe Pro. So when we go to our integrations page and we click on our GoFundMe Pro integration, we have a really cool integration with GoFundMe Pro that for customers who are using their fundraising tools, which are really great, best-in-class fundraising tools. They can leverage those tools and still use DonorDock as their CRM, as their relationship management platform, and their marketing platform. And it's a really seamless integration. And so when we go in here to connect it, we basically need to give it a few pieces of information. So when do we want to sync back from? We do have customers who've been using GoFundMe Pro for a period of time. They may start using DonorDock. We can actually use that as a migration tool to migrate old data from back in time back into DonorDock. A tenant ID, a client ID, and a client secret, which you can get from the GoFundMe Pro platform. And then you can configure the integration. So one of the options is to disable opt-in, opt-out mapping. And so some people want to manage their opt-ins and opt-outs directly in DonorDock. So we can disable the mapping of those when we do the integration. Or if you want to use the opt-in, opt-out tools of GoFundMe Pro, then you're able to configure that to do that as well. And we respect those on the DonorDock side. And then if you're using any custom giving page domains with your GoFundMe Pro, you can add those here, and I'll explain what that does here in a few minutes. So we can configure the integration, we turn it on, and it starts syncing every hour to see if there's anything new or updated since the last time it synced. It's going to bring over supporters from GoFundMe Pro. It's going to bring over all of your transactions, your campaigns, your funds, and even event registrations or event attendee registrations. If you want it to do that, you can actually choose to sync that or not to sync that. Each time it runs, we get a history of what happened, so I can view that history and I can see that in this run it updated specific contacts and gifts in DonorDock. If it were to have created anything, like in this run, we can see it inserted a gift and I have a quick link over to see that transaction. When it does sync over, it's going to tag gifts as GoFundMe Pro donations or event tickets, whatever type of gift it is, and all of them get tagged as a GoFundMe Pro transaction. We store the transaction ID and the source so that you know where this came from. And we bring over things like payment notes, campaigns, and fund designations that are happening on the GoFundMe Pro side. If we look at Johnny Rose's record here, we can see that Johnny is tagged as a GoFundMe Pro supporter, and we pull over information from GoFundMe Pro, including all of that giving history or event tickets, etc. So the integration is really cool. It works really, really well. One of the neat things about it, I said I would explain the custom giving domains. One thing that we also do is if you link a GoFundMe Pro giving page in a bulk email that you're sending out through DonorDock, we actually append on all of the source tracking codes, and we will do that for any of their core domains or any custom domains that you've entered. And so it will add on the tracking codes to track those conversions. If someone gives through that link from that email, it will track that conversion back to that email so you understand what that email is actually driving for gifts and revenue within your organization. So really cool integration, great partner. We love working with them and with their team. And just another example of DonorDock can be an all-in-one platform, or it can be part of a best-in-breed group of products that work really, really well together. So hope you found that useful. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. We'll take a look at another integration next Friday. Thanks for joining.